Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTS 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Amazon Alexa voice assistant on this watch. Before we start, if you want to use the Alexa on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zepp application. Once devices are paired together, we can continue and open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon and then select Amazfit GTS 3 from the list of devices. On this page, scroll down, find the app settings, and under the app settings you should see the Amazon Alexa icon. Now let's enable the Amazon Alexa, so let's tap on the Amazon Alexa icon, tap on agree, and this will redirect you to this page. Now tap on login to Amazon, it will open the web browser, and here we need to log in into Amazon account. So let's tap on get started, tap on continue with the setting up the device, and now as you can see we need to log in into Amazon account. So I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address, and then tap right here and enter the password. So give me a couple of seconds. And once you're done entering the login and password, you can tap on sign in. And once you log in, you need to allow the Zepp application access to the Alexa service. So let's tap on allow. Okay, and once you tap on allow, it should redirect you to this page. And here we have the option to change the language. If you tap on talk to Alexa, you can select different languages you want to use. And also, if you want to log out from the Alexa, you can tap on exit and it's gonna stop working. But for now, that's how you enable the Alexa. So now we can wake up the screen on our watch, then press and hold the crown button by default to bring up the Alexa. And then we can say something like, tell me a joke. Oh, let's try again. Tell me a joke. As you can see, it's working. So that's how you enable the Alexa on this watch. If you want to disable it, simply open the application again, the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with your watch, tap on profile, tap on the Amazfit GTS 3, find the Amazon Alexa icon, tap on it, it will bring you to this page, and you can tap on exit, and you should see login into Amazon. And once you see this, you can close the app, and when you try to bring up the Alexa on your watch, it will tell you that the app is not connected and you won't be able to use it. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the Alexa voice assistant on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.